Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and following all the safety precautions. Today in this video, I would like to introduce you to the 8 things that you can do and follow to have a better lifestyle. You will see the good results within a month if you practice these advices as I say. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, the first thing in the list is proper sleep. Yes, we all by now know how much important a good sleep is. And we have all had super screwed up sleep cycles last year in 2020 during COVID-19 lockdown. So, proper and adequate sleep is something you need to maintain and also stick to it. A minimum of 8 plus hours, not 8 plus exactly, but 8 hours of sleep is advisable. The second point is drink lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. I cannot emphasize much on how important it is to stay hydrated in the coming hot weather. Drinking a minimum of 2 liters of water every day is a must because it's very important for our health, skin, and it also prevents other UTI infections. So don't miss out on water and start drinking your 2 liters of water from today. Number 3 is exercising 4 times a week. 4 times a week of workout is good enough. Even a 10-minute workout can do wonders to your health and body if done consistently. So remember, consistency is the key. Workout prevents various diseases like diabetes, cancer, and many more. Number 4 is getting sunlight daily. Now, this is very effective in case you are dealing with sleep issues like disturbances in the sleep cycle. Getting sun daily helps in alleviating sleep problems. Sun, we all know, is the best source for vitamin D, which also helps in strengthening of bones. And to the people who are concerned about skin burns and rashes, I have a solution for you all. You need not to get out in the afternoon. Just 10 to 15 minutes in the morning sun will serve your purpose to a great extent. So don't worry about rashes and skin burns. You won't get it. Do soak sun daily. Number 5th and my most favorite point is reading. Start reading. Be it anything, comics, short stories, novels, newspaper, anything. Read anything of your area of interest. Spend minimum of 30 minutes every day reading. It will not just only build your vocabulary but will also provide you with an open-minded mindset, thought process, whatever you call it. It will also help you in developing a hold over the language that you're reading. It is very important to be efficient in at least one language. So start reading and happy reading. Number 6 is eating fruits and vegetables daily, especially greens. For your body and metabolism to work efficiently, eat healthy, eat clean. Believe me, if you follow this diligently, you will see an amazing improvement within your body. Point number 7 says avoid or reduce sugar. But if you ask me, I'd recommend you to quit sugar. Yes, you heard it right. Quit sugar. Unless you have any medical issues like insulin levels fluctuating in your body, please, then this point is not for you. But if you're good to go with your insulin levels, I'd recommend you to please quit sugar for shakkar. Substitute sugar with shakkar because it is way healthier than sugar. Also, if you are into some weight loss regime, just quitting out sugar from your diet will do wonders with your weight loss journey. Also, sugar intake causes breakouts, so avoid sugar for clear skin too. The next point number 8, is about writing journal. Now, this is one really a good habit. You don't have to do much. Just before you go to bed, write down your entire day in a diary. It's nothing different than a diary entry. Now, I know there'd be people who might find diary entry to be a little boring, but I will tell you what benefits it will do to you. It will improve your writing skills. It will make your day productive because back in your head you will know that you have to write about your day in your journal. And also, it will improve your creativity. So, if you don't practice journal writing, start it from today and you will witness a change within a month, maybe. So, these were the 8 things that, if you practice daily, will transform you into your healthier version and will also better your lifestyle. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all liked it. Do tell your reviews in the comment section down below, and if you found some good stuff in the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yes, feedbacks are always welcome. Stay safe, take care.